This next play gets extremely personal, so be careful and negotiate frankly with your partner. So Jess is right foot forward, I'm left foot forward. I'm in a posta longa, left hand here. You see, no, that's fine. See how she naturally takes that step back? Okay. Bam, she can't take that step back anymore. So I'm slamming my forearm in between her legs. I'm sorry, Jess.
It's quite all right. Yeah.
And then turning, so the bastoncello is behind her, and now she can't take the step that would save her. Okay, and from the other side. We'll do the choreographical version first, and then we'll have a look at how we might get into it. So she's left foot forward, I'm left foot forward. My left hand is up on her throat. I'm being very careful not to actually crush her larynx, though of course that is available to me. And I'm hooking the back leg. Yeah. And the bastoncello catches both legs. Nasty, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.